I'm Fabian, Elite Athlete Education Officer at Minerva's Virtual Academy. I'm here today at Queen's Park Rangers training ground to visit one of our students who has today received his A-level results. Let's see what's happened.
Hi, my name's Jake Leahy, I'm 18 and I'm a player at Queen's Park Rangers Development Squad.
How's your results, Jake?
Got it, start for you.
Yes! Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, Jake's almost like having another staff member alongside us. He's a wonderful human being, first and foremost. Incredible dedication to his craft, both on the pitch and off the field as well. And for him to get an A-star in business studies at A-level is just an incredible achievement. And I guess that just represents him and his family. We've known him since he joined as an under-11 at the football club, and he will go on to do significant things in his life. So we're really proud of him.
Tell us how it's gone.
It's gone very well, to be fair. Got an A-star, which I'm really happy with, and I just want to thank everyone that's helped me get to there, because I put the work in and I'm really pleased.
You've been with us learning at MVA for 2 years now. Tell us how that process has been for you.
Being online and having the lessons in the evenings been flexible. It's come around my football well, and having the teachers there and the support and other players on the course as well has really made it enjoyable. Obviously my focus is with football, so I wanted to make sure I was on it with that, but as I got into it and had the support around me and got more used to it, it became really enjoyable, to be fair, and quite easy.
It's really important that we provide them with a platform to excel, both on the field and in the classroom. And often we find that actually the balance that they strike shows incredible amounts of kind of conscientiousness and also academic ability, right? So they're values that we think will stand them in really good stead for their lives, and ultimately we know that the statistics don't lie, and prolonged football careers are few and far between. So we hope that all of the boys do go on to have significant careers in the game, but there's no reason why they can't study alongside that.
So we finish football at 3 or 4, and by the time I get home, I dedicate 2-3 hours to get my work done and getting on the lessons. So,
Do you have any particular aspirations in terms of career-wise outside of football that you want to try and achieve?
well, business is something that I've just enjoyed my whole life really, and doing it at GCSE and obviously at A-level now is something that I've really found valuable. So whether my football career goes, I want to be involved in football and the business world, so it opens up both those options really.
Yeah.
One of the things that I will say is outstanding about Minerva is the flexibility of tuition time. That, for me, is the most important thing about aligning with a football club. I've often bumped into Sam in the corridor and he's got his laptop and he's like, oh, I'm just off to my lesson now. We couldn't do it yesterday. We can do it today. So that flexibility is really good.
It's been highly effective. So, I mean, from my position, what's been fantastic is to be provided with updates from the players and LFE and Minerva as well. So I've been kept kind of updated on the progress of the lads. And what I will say is probably the standout part is that it hasn't affected their ability to play football. So it's allowed them to follow their aspirations in the classroom, but also it's allowed them to dedicate everything they can on the pitch as well, which has been magnificent.
I never worried about what was going to happen with the relationship between Minerva, the club, the players and ourselves, because I could sense a professional attitude towards it.
Jake, would you recommend MVA to other academy players thinking of studying in A-level?
I would totally, because they've made it very flexible and easy for me to work and learn, and I think the platform they provided has really helped me towards getting this grade.